Hey, I am Capri and this channel is about hula hooping. In this video, I'm gonna show you this trick. So, passing and kick up. So, what's important about the passing? The catch. You always catch the hoop from above. Either you're in the front, passing from one hand to another, or you are transferring the hoop from one hand to another behind your back. You are always catching it from above, okay? And not to make this weird straight hands reaching the hoop and nearly managing to do it, you can always bend your elbows and lift them a little up. So with the catch behind your back, you can bend your elbows and lift them. All right? So what you are basically doing is you're passing the hoop from one hand to another. You can change the direction, see how it goes to the other way. And then when you have the hoop coming behind your back, it means that in a second you're gonna pass it to the other hand and follow with the movement towards the front. And this is the moment where you can lift your leg up and pass the hoop below your leg, okay? If it's difficult for you to lift the leg straight, then you can always bend it and do the passing in here below your knee, okay? So let's try these two versions, okay? I'm doing the passing from one hand to another, and then I'm getting ready for the kick and pass. I'm getting ready for the kick with the bend knee and pass. Okay? Give it a try and I'll give you some hints. Okay, so hints and tips about the kick and about the passing, okay? I always recommend to turn around while you're performing the hoop, spinning around your body or passing the hoop around your body. It always gives you much more time to pass the hoop, to actually catch it, to control the movement, okay? Yeah, if you get a little dizzy, maybe change the direction, all right? And then, what about the kick? I like to do it making steps before and using the energy of steps to kick the leg up. How does it look like? I'm gonna show it to you from the side. Okay, so when I know that the hoop will be coming towards the front, I'm doing one, pum, pum, pum. All right, try it as well. Maybe this will give you like the energy to kick the leg higher. And also remember that you can always kick with the bended leg, okay? All right, if you like this video, leave me a like button, a comment of what kind of tutorials are interesting for you. Search for the ones that I already have on my channel and make sure to subscribe not to miss any of the upcoming ones. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next one.